Sense organs are specialized structures in living organisms that enable the reception and perception of various sensory stimuli from the external environment. These organs gather information and transmit signals to the brain, allowing us to experience and understand the world around us. The 5 main sense organs in humans are the eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Let's explore each of them in more detail. Eyes, visual system. The eyes are responsible for the sense of sight. They contain complex structures such as the cornea, lens, iris, and retina. Light enters the eye through the cornea and passes through the lens, which focuses the light onto the retina. The retina contains specialized cells called photoreceptors that convert light into electrical signals. These signals are then sent to the brain via the optic nerve, where they are interpreted as visual information. Ears, auditory system. The ears enable the sense of hearing. They consist of 3 main parts: the outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Sound waves enter the outer ear and travel through the ear canal to the eardrum in the middle ear. The eardrum vibrates in response to the sound waves, which then pass through the 3 tiny bones in the middle ear: hammer, anvil, and stirrup. These bones amplify the vibrations and transmit them to the cochlea in the inner ear. The cochlea contains hair cells that convert the vibrations into electrical signals, which are sent to the brain via the auditory nerve for interpretation. Nose, olfactory system. The nose is responsible for the sense of smell. Inside the nasal cavity, there are millions of olfactory receptors that can detect different odors. When we inhale, odor molecules bind to these receptors, triggering a chemical reaction. This reaction generates electrical signals that are transmitted to the brain through the olfactory nerve, allowing us to perceive and identify different smells. Tongue, gustatory system. The tongue enables the sense of taste. It contains taste buds, which are clusters of specialized cells that can detect different flavors. Taste buds are primarily located on the surface of the tongue, but they can also be found on the roof of the mouth and the back of the throat. Taste receptors can detect sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami, savory, tastes. Signals from the taste buds are transmitted to the brain via the gustatory nerve. Skin, somatosensory system. The skin is the largest sensory organ in the human body and is responsible for the sense of touch. It contains a variety of sensory receptors, including thermoreceptors, temperature, nociceptors, pain, mechanoreceptors, pressure and vibration, and proprioceptors, body position and movement. These receptors send signals to the brain through the peripheral nervous system, allowing us to perceive sensations such as pressure, temperature, pain, and texture. In addition to these 5 main sense organs, humans also have other sensory systems, such as the vestibular system, responsible for balance and spatial orientation, and proprioception, awareness of body position and movement. These systems contribute to our overall sensory perception and help us navigate and interact with our surroundings.